Guys, welcome to Josh Diary Cooking Edition. So for today's vlog guys, I will cook buttered shrimp. First, heat the pan. After heating the pan guys, put the butter. Then let the butter melt. Butter's already melt guys, then add the garlic. Then onion. Then add the marinated shrimp for 2 hours in Sprite. Salt and pepper to taste. We want it spicy guys, so I will put chili. It's up to you if you want spicy or not. This is already cooked guys. Thank you for watching guys. Enjoy your meal. Subscribe to my YouTube channel guys for more videos. Thank you.